Hi guys, Filvet is here, and this is my 5th video about my personal project. So it is a fun art on Gears of War 5, it is environment scene. And in this video I want to tell you about my sculpting that I did for this scene. So just to show that it's not a problem for me to work in ZBrush, and I use it not only for sculpting, but as well I think that in ZBrush we can find really comfortable tool like boolean operations, and you can create really complex element from in hard surface, not only organic, and it's pretty fast, much faster if you're gonna do the same shape only by traditional modeling, so you can save a lot of time. And as well for organic, for sculpting. So here I was trying to recreate this aggressive look of this locust. It's a monster from Gears of War 5. So here you can see that I tried to repeat his like folds on his skin, but I slightly changed proportions just because this head, let me show you, because original monster he has a really thick, much thicker neck, so that's why I decided to make it slightly not so big, just to fit to this space. And I didn't want to make this element too wide, too big. And as well I used some alphas. I guess I used alphas from animals, maybe something from lizards or crocodiles, and maybe from elephant. Yeah, some different alpha skins. And as well I remember that I used some references for his teeth, because you can see that his teeth slightly different from ours. So yeah, and again even with teeth it helps me to make this creature even more aggressive, more creepy and scary. So yeah, that's all. Thank you guys, have a good one.